Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Edge alternator failing issue and the likely reasons behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Alternator failure in the Ford Edge is commonly described as repeated battery warning messages, dimming or flickering lights, electrical features malfunctioning, frequent dead battery situations, or the vehicle stalling while driving due to loss of electrical power. Verified technical service information and reviewed automotive charging system data indicate that alternator-related concerns can occur across multiple Ford Edge model years, with relevance depending on engine configuration, electrical load, and charging system design. This issue does not affect all vehicles and applicability varies by configuration. One verified cause involves internal alternator wear. Over time, components such as bearings, brushes, or internal circuitry can degrade, reducing the alternator's ability to generate sufficient electrical power. Another confirmed cause relates to voltage regulation behavior. A failing internal voltage regulator can cause undercharging or overcharging, leading to battery drain or electrical instability. Drive belt condition is also a documented factor. A worn, loose, or damaged serpentine belt can prevent the alternator from spinning at the required speed to produce adequate output. Electrical connection integrity is another verified consideration. Corroded terminals, loose wiring, or poor grounding can interrupt the flow of generated power to the battery and vehicle systems. High electrical demand is an additional confirmed aspect. Operating multiple electrical systems simultaneously can place added stress on a weakened alternator, accelerating failure. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include extreme operating temperatures, recent battery replacement without system checks, or intermittent electrical faults. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions described in professional service guidance include testing alternator output, inspecting belt condition and tension, checking electrical connections and grounds, verifying battery health, and replacing the alternator if output is below specification. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and charging system-specific requirements. Reviewed diagnostic trends indicate that many Ford Edge alternator failure concerns are resolved through alternator replacement or correction of belt and wiring issues rather than extensive electrical system repair. Outcomes vary by model year, engine configuration, and vehicle usage. In conclusion, Ford Edge alternator failing issues are typically linked to internal alternator wear, voltage regulation problems, belt drive issues, electrical connection faults, or increased electrical load. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.